everybody, greetings from Oslo, Norway, up in the cold north. My name is Ingrid Jasmin Vogt and I am a singer. I have worked in different genres, but until recently I had never done any Balkan music until I met Almir and Daniel. My colleague Bailey Austria, she had the idea to make a video together with them. And so we met to start rehearsing for Erdelesi. And I think we felt immediately that there was musically something very interesting going on there, bringing together our different backgrounds. And we had a really good chemistry from the first moment. And we also had a lot of fun. I learned how to drink rakia, and Almir and Daniel learned how to dance salsa. I also learned a thing or two about Balkan irregular rhythms. We were working on this tune in 7/8, and I don't know what it is with these Balkan rhythms, but they really get to you. So during some time there, I was like sleeping, dreaming in 7/8, walking in 7/8. So anyways, it's been a pleasure collaborating with Almir and Daniel so far. They are truly amazing musicians with such a skill level and a unique sound. And I'm looking forward to any future collaboration.